Hi there. I just wanted to go over a couple of things within the second part of our learning plan. Um, there are some extensions that I would like you to download, as well as a couple of reminders about Google Classroom. And then finally, I want us to sign up for the Flipgrid app so that you can have access to it for this class. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the Read Aloud extension. The Read Aloud extension can be found in the Google Chrome store. You simply just add it to your browser. And what this extension does is if you come across some complex text that maybe has some difficult vocabulary in it, this Read Aloud extension does exactly what it says in the name. It reads the text aloud to you. So this is really useful. Again, as I said, when you come across some complex text, not only do you see the text in front of you, but you can hear it read to you, and that can help you access the content within that document. What you will notice on our learning plan is that I will always give you some tutorials on how to download that extension, how to upload an assignment, how to access a digital tool. So these links here that we have highlighted, those are actual tutorials that you can read, so or watch. There might be videos as well. So those could be helpful if you're doing this from home. We will be downloading these in class, but if for some reason you're absent and you're doing it from home, these are a great resource. So the download extension, when you download an extension, it does populate on your toolbar in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. If for some reason you don't see it listed there, you click on the black puzzle piece here, and it brings down a drop-down menu. This drop-down menu is a list of all the extensions that you have downloaded from the Google Chrome store. The ones that are listed on your toolbar are those that have been highlighted blue. So if there is an extension that shows up, so for example, if your Read Aloud shows up and it is not on your toolbar and you see it here on your list, and you notice that the little pin to the right is white, you just click on that. It makes it blue, and then it adds it to your extension toolbar. So if you download it and you don't see it up there right away, just click on this black puzzle piece, look at the drop-down menu, and then make sure that it is highlighted blue. If you need any help with that, please don't hesitate to ask me. The next thing that I want to just remind you of is that when you upload an assignment to Google Classroom, please, 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 you make sure that you hit the turn in button. This is just to save you, because what is going to happen is that at the end of the week, either you or your parents will get notified of some missing assignments. If you have turned in an assignment but have not clicked the turn in button, then they will get a notification that the item is missing. So you want to really make sure that you do that. If you've never used Google Classroom before and you need a tutorial, that is the link right here in the learning plan. So as always, I'm happy to help support you with that if you need it, but just take a quick look at the video, and that should be very helpful. The final thing that I want to have you do is to have access to our Flipgrid for your class. You'll notice here on the learning plan there is a video. This is to help you, again, as a tutorial to help you access it. You will be able to locate the Flipgrid code for your class by going to the landing page. And the landing page is right here. So you'll see that under Technology Tools on the landing page, if you click go to the Flipgrid box, and then you click Sign Up Here. So when you click on the link for the Flipgrid where it says Sign Up Here, you click on it and it will bring you to a document, and we're going to expand that. And what this document will do, it has a website for you to go to, the info.flipgrid.com, and then you need to enter a join code for your class block, and you'll see that those are listed below. Please make sure that you sign up for the correct classroom code. If you get put into a different classroom because you entered the wrong code, then that could impact grading, because if I don't see your video in the class block, then I might miss it. So just to avoid that, just make sure that you are joining the correct class code for the Flipgrid. Just heading on back to the landing page. Again, as a reminder, if you need any tools or access to any tools, they are located here. I also have a link for Tech Help that will provide you with some tutorials on different things that will help you, whether it's Google Apps for education. I'll move that over. Whether it's Google Apps for education or whether it's other digital tools, we have some resources there for you. So just make sure that you are accessing this information if you run into any trouble and can't get a hold of me individually. So just heading on back to the learning plan. So those are the 3 things that I wanted to chat about for this video. As always, if you have any questions or you need any support, please don't hesitate to come to my AOT, pull me into a breakout room, or just send me an email and I'm happy to help. Okay? All right, you guys are going to do great. I have no doubt. Thanks so much.